Ojabe live or SVTV Africa, Michobia Mimo. Once again, in Mobia Kwaba SVTV Africa, your entertainment redefined. If I'm DJ Nyame. Now, my time check right now was studio because my person was a program where live. Yeah, bought like 10 minutes to 7 SVTV Africa, yeah, but live. Where #1 online TV station, SVTV Africa, like your page. Subscribe to your YouTube channel because the content in your YouTube keke. I didn't actually subscribing. Press it cook keke. Now join family no. SVTV Africa, Instagram, all social media handles SVTV Africa. When say any politics, but about social issues, BB how or important BB because now free say discuss it. Now you educate nation BB FIMA SVTV Africa. Program SVTV chat with the vibe or a lot of programs. So what I say. Enti maybe because all the friend number with 0240-677-898 0240-677-898. So problem BB because of area. BB officer say I should tell you what now was up here. Remember on the cover about a live program event SVTV Africa. Kiki B's restaurant, pub and lounge. I'm no support here. Open BB Obajiweni Uba have fun at Kiki B's restaurant, pub and lounge. Will be East Legon, just behind the KFC. And now will be so Kwabinya. Open baby pa meet and eat. Kiki B's restaurant. Maybe for live band section. Kiki B's Friday night live band, Saturday live band, Sunday karaoke night with the stars. All the artists I'm passing through as a so one back Kiki B's and yet why home. Blimps Media on here. Designer papa be designer work am Blimps Media am support here. Bokeke or say was so me. So what I say, I'm no so I say Bokeke. Inti you have DJ Nyame no akwa na no visitor bi wa say the problem is say in some more town. So what I say, so in some more town segment. Na never be sua Nyame be film. Na ya we what I say, ya Bible so to make me send him or comment with me send questions. Question bi so bi sa no. We will switch baby you are a hectic na hectic or issue be so what has not been to them so and then you be banning a bit discuss it your life will be discussed it is said also I there will be too move for so experience bisa and now bisa advice bisa fabra hectic you more about SVTV Africa so bibi aboko o my fepa no say you do all hectic one na hectic then echo and I would date saying ebusiafo ye nkola ho ye
nyame nti me ho ye me ma no so ho ye
obi a ho ye na obi be bisa say hwan heti bisa say hwan heti
raba bi a ye wo no wotema onye wotema nti meka say okosku so wotema tema na oti atina
tema okay to go school ben what can I now meet school we say oh yeah I had to do too who go school
me because school could do JHS but man also because of financial problem
to wait me uncle okay it after school went me on to us no we wait us then now we to see then now we
meant me to school so but modern start say me here juma ti
is your business woman
nyame run me
okay na hati my hwe inkola hin na wo
nkola
2 omo di say
oba no benya 19 October be man de wenya 16
na won first 19 years na won small 19 years na hati na wo can be say start inkola no obetimi aboyemu like inkola no na o ka bibi tse on papa ye nti betimi aboyemu me hu ye start den na inkola no be mu tu boy ni girl no be
ti sesa na obisa say man go school in no dey juma na me ye ampa na me ye juma restaurant na pa ti eno mo na me di share me mama e papa ti ye start say date no no stop so worry na o she fie nye nti Oka so be ware me no, man pupu me ti. That time me nya 22 years.
Asem okay na edi ebe me ntwa be how many years ni? We more restaurant.
Restaurant demand dem fancy be me year ne be 1 year.
1 year.
1 year Brands. Say temafo ni Brands.
Yeah, Brands.
Na me ye ejuma.
Oh, 1 year. Nti say wo ye ejuma o Brands na broni ni ba o.
Broni ne me ye ejuma Brands no me free ho. There's another restaurant or Brands a friend Britannia. Nti na me kopay ejuma wo. Me call na madam ni ni. Nti na waitress bi wo girl bi. Nti all na me catch am so me page na so me call madam ni on to ba. Me ba be flow because me dey dey out. Na me say okay. Ti me wo na me cook mba ma me say lady bi aba show no sisi bra. Nti me so na nwumre no on my time ti be for na me so me nanti na me call. Me call na me ti ho train say ni madam ba oba interview me na master tea. Nti all na lady me say actually me free me ni lady ni kasa wo restaurant ono na me ka tell me you saw me washroom no see you ti me pa me free washroom by na bo fu me no bi abetena restaurant ti me sa potena baby lady no na lady ni say sorry potena bo fu ni tin and say me be page ma nya say me be pay broni o say ejuma o be page ma na broni bi abaso opo ba ware na say ejuma wa ye bia amfa onko baby na say obi pese o ware wa ana na me fa wo ma itoka san no otaka se dwefie no na hwe na ka san si you na mkotena abu na wo ye tu ti dem me tena ne nten no eye me ba ne papa that's how I start to say you call
na okwo ya o se dwefie no sata fie din nti mkotena broni nchen no then they start e ho bon komo ne say then o ka kire o
beside me din. Beside me, baby, I'm free. I'm a village. Me can't baby, I'm France and also of free lome or type hot togo. And I say, you're crumb kind on you. And so beside me, I'm a sunny church. No, that's a meeting. Now, church and baby, if I know baby, it's a sorry dying, apostolic and sorry dying, wooden structure. Me papa so obewujai e ma me ti me kwani oba e fo nti na ese me koba beboa ko ye adwuma hwe me ho e support me ma me so sometimes so ka sa no so ne so ani edidi wi a ye be ko me fie ho oni be ko me ma me fie nti enwumre na taxi o na me see fa o se da bi enko ye nanti no se a nti hana me ti ana na me si Monsieur, what's it? Until Otamba Hotel. Now, media, I did change so or friends a member. That I know mobile phone ya common until the taxi driver now of fire. And no some friend like or around no some friends bringing is a member. No so all count or back in 2 weeks time. Until me in page until man scat selling fan. Mommy. So that's how we started the whole relationship.
Now, Brolina Kassan of Frifa.
Brolina of
Belgium. In 2 weeks, no more scan, no so Belgium, and also quite.
No, so our contract will lume into a column. I could be about signing new contracts. But no intentionally, no person of it now. Copes all lume, no be any to my bear 1 week. No, and so they all be who send me a single. We went to decide so no so you send you or be worry. And then I started.
Okay. It only Nancy for how long and some of the
yeah, Nancy and check. Within 2 months to 3 months me 5 food. Jana me can say if you any answer kono. O 5 food I said yeah you want. Also no I ready. No, can say me bisani say that be no be me want. In Tampa so no mama ko je list no e buy. They hotel no you will not for company ni pedan. Amano. Because no afina we no like she wanted to stay. The company ko pedan man. To no ma pedan mu sesi. Inti ye funi ba sa no na o se le obe me want. and I'm in the quarter list.
We share live with SBTV Africa, your entertainment really fine. For me, DJ Nyame, and many Hetty war some sad story. Also, Adibia say so. It's a different idea. So what I say, you to the ever no. Share program we were also. Now invite your friends. Now drop a comment. Make time or drink share. Make time or share. Now invite your friends. Many Hetty and I was where story. I think say Beboa say. It's also tricky, so what I say, I do pass it through. I want to say yes. Maybe I can say, I regret it, and now say, but maybe some sad day. It's all share, now invite your friends now for comments, bro. It had only 90 over 5 phone within that short time, you know. I don't know parents kind. Awful.
Oh, say, maybe Papa will, and say, me, mamma, like, all share. Me bra penny not on penny our any so because I say papa name same into on penny.
Na papa will be how many years?
That time no papa no was 42 years and I'm me 22 years. Till then was near 20 years. 20 to no so on penny. And I mean my so can say or person me call na e fire phone to one already na ma wo ba ko dada ma ko na efrim sa enti on pet sa awo ha enti on the oma me worry be ma no na che say me so hu se ne baba na onya baby edimiti ayi atu ena ma omo pe on prevent ka worry any ma ye prepare kwa me be nya miscarriage enti that sa kola ye fu ne be say but oya me ho ade ye court e ko sign
Nti mami bro broni no ba na wan kan cho se bia obi wo Belgium ana wan ka bibia nkyerɛ
wan ka bibia nkyerɛ mi so owo yiri ana owo mama
Belgium
Belgium
okay nti oni na ba ko ye mo ye traditional we mu court no family rep bia mba obi amba
dabi obi amba ni now for na owo mo otema no omo na mbeti na anyi
how me abrofo
me enu ya abrofo but the other one say ni call ni edwuma mu phone and everything na ena omo ye no
iti omo ye on one then what next what no put na
omo ye no ade no oye engagement no na me be fa ye phone enti me ka tell me say me pese me ko wo ni kro say na be ya me so me hu ebusu na wo enti no na doctor say me condition say many miscarriage. But she's not advising me to go outside or be anymore. Oh no, so far, so I say me ni choice be as so no necessarily me or no all share me, mommy. And say John Beckano, not my family star. So I didn't follow up. Say me ko share so your point. So a trainer me be wo ye na me so okay say my old dear and ye Oba passport and man. No sister, Nancy. In Tampana pass on my Belgian passport and Emma Obano. Inti ya only name make us a young Conny Chroma. Ned in Tokwa and the damn fan to come man or
before I back say over Conny Chrome, one and it's nine, no Conny Chrome.
Uncle, but Ned must manner or see Oceanic families in another country. So the pictures be betrayed. Said, ne mammy, ne no mama. No, apparently, now, me, what I no. Send my dreams, sir. Me firstborn, me when I say, me 23, 24. So I didn't hear me say, send me why anyway. I was just there. I was just there. And sana.
Enti yemhwe only it's now for how long mo distance mo it's now for how long?
My friends are 19 years.
19 years. Only it's now for 19 years.
Yes.
Wow. It's 19 years so not on to kwa in Belgium no Ghana.
O can say am call say on any no issues. Fear kosia and on person on back as I'm okay. You try another country, send it there. It me call Italy, Germany, Holland. Or see Derby. So I was a baby not mean tears, not for the Masafa second yefun me second born tell so na say me sober me person me sober so na ma san fa yefun ta when it say ma san lock me wan she one corner and idea na me so ye obedwane ejame ene nkola
na usro me ba wo why no leti na like ni suban ti say ansa na ofi say usro say obedwane ejame
because afina edu baby na bisa no say nipa na mawari ana saman na mawari
ade
because me nim ni relative bia na se papa bibi tu na meden and that was what was going in my head those time but now kalani society me ko me mama amane say na me pese me osi nyabotre kalani society no dwani ja osisi aye na efie nyi nti ye be dan hwan kalani
ene no na nka me be se me bisa say ni twa no na me bisa say nti wo kosa de we mu no na wo ma me no so no na ofi se family bia ni na friends but na then no catch up
we are sim I had a be case ohia ni ni we are ohia be ma ohia be hia ma ondwin adwin bi say ade we say me hwehwe mu bua me ba because do no me ma me afem on person me so me fem she just want me to be happy it also no I din
do not person if he say open year amount to say when you bro ni bi and you person obey bibi
ebe na so be jumi ono so
it ba officer no no e boy
in a way no amwa in a way ni de amwa me no cry pa de amwa but ye free or how ana ye wo mu no at least o ma ye nya baby di tito ye me ma me so nya baby di ni tito ye enso ya adwen ama ya nkwanko bisa nipa oye either say be ko consulate and I be ko embassy ya ko hwehwe ni tira nipa titiwa oye
na company be na oye djuma o
no first oye djuma fine print
what tema
and or resigning and so print pack I know so e what tema by some about chimota almost almost nim ni relative almost almost de djuma na mo ne yenti almost nim say na busu ya na me ene nkwala no that's what the company do.
It also can say of person no tan na then na we consider say bia because of we bia hardship am wo minti no and na we do na nkasa
na kind of press at no na asichemu yedi papa asichemu yedi se bi ma me kwa na ntuma ba ko pe okwa sorry ba so ensi di hata di mi hwe we mu nyina na opportunity bi aba jama akwa mu why don't I pick it too mami so atete no so free and na mi so say me person me wo ha that's one of my major problem me person me wo because me who be pray awo ha na the problems na dey eba feel so it was like my maintain papa you na me ne woman ma
bana o ne tsana ma wo ma bana odo bi an shela nim sa o consider keke
beginning they not me don't know the love was there but it chain no me I didn't na me worry me nim say o papa di kojo and how ma me di AC and a telephone compo dabi
nke ba sa na no tu ne tsana nya no bi akra friend fi Belgium
of onya call to me can Flemish kasa French or can who is on the call once I brought fast it na on me find the sound for cow phone also found some car in the phone it's like also to me nye mbizanza why na one ne kasa because also nya call on bizanza why na one ne kasa just say wa o person ka tente o asemesi we na afre that's
bana one ne teno na mo movement say on pie mu ko places mo have fan de o hia bia o ye ma o ne de o sinyama no na o ye bia
pie se na profode o mo yere no pie abrofode o mo mba pie say obie ni motema o say ono ye me kun ha obie ni
share me live on SBTV Africa Facebook page, subscribe to your YouTube channel, share or also not drop a comment where issue be I think say sad and also idea say issue and ifima any about Hetty I kind of I say I discuss it. Put here now so advice be able to me to comment but just share now invite your friends to some join here SBTV Africa your entertainment really FM DJ. In terms, one of the time I call also call money to crime or Ghana, but I didn't see it. For how long I'm trying to say, didn't see it.
Obayare is serious, very very serious. Obayare nice, or no talking tea, not when you're long cancer, tear, quite general hospital, no more refer Kolebu, somebody got to Kaju. It's not to say, oh, now we are in a more bed. A more baby, my insist, young fan couldn't crom now, young ship. And say, as you are in a more bemono, that is where I realize, say, assembly and a kind maybe say, Papa will be tuna, Hyana, make a question. This assembly bim. Into me Shadaka and send me to Nigeria because I'm tired of Nigeria. But
Nigeria no go there.
I'm going to find your mama. Okay. Into me Shadaka and send me to Nigeria. Into me already know my consulate office. I'm on my catch him. I mean I catch him. Say me call Abidjan embassy. Me find the particulars in Bibia. They all will be me. Into a kind no na me say okay. To me plan send me to Nigeria no. Na me call Abidjan. To me call and pampa so me call embassy. Na me where go here, me do embassy go.
Then buy.
Me didn't particulars in Bibia the call no mo boy no. E di e ba ye ni yiri. Ah, worry no. Moroccan or Morocco no. Is it Morocco? Oni na two. Apparently no so Belgium so ni Obabia with two. Na almost say
men confuse here. I'm born in the embassy or Ivory Coast no. No ni obi awo Morocco.
Oh, Nkola 2 ewo Belgium according to embassy no. I'm only oba na divorce. E no do any divorce. And oba ware Morocco ni ba. No ni na 2.
Hey.
Enti me no me din me ne me managing emma
any system
ni. Enti me buy no satamonye wi. Enti me buy no me work once on my friend me mama say asem say no say me ba me nya buche so yare nti. Enti me buy no na me be friend no am say. Enti ni yiri no o ware no ni meja. Yiri ben na am say ni Morocco yiri no. Me yeda am say me friend bazi. Ansan obeka try me say oni na enjai no dwane ja oba no na oba lomi be ye ejuma na de ba ga na obe hu nti obe hu me no na say me no oni metira na kuma like oye peaceful obi antete no obi an ha na adwen nti oba no went to me enjai no
nti na oba no treatment na the man no office o the woman o the we cool
oh like we any boss ba any first boss no Michiano ne bon commercial asem say na ekoso no say I obe ware ni o kan so ni iri no Morocco no ni nja no ka chen so oni ni nko jai no so kwa oba ni be kunu era obi san say dey no oba ni be kunu wanka no so pe so okwa akofan kola mi no e dey brem era ni boss na ka chen say dabi Obaya Obewari no, or very young. I feel our first, but all of us are Uncle back. Mammy ni be Tracy, up at Titi, into Connect writing on a fat way moon also was soon do fat form she said baby as almost when few boss no or the free Tonuna and waiting on him ni story behind
but Obeyari me bow, Oyari also hospital, we know. Process no koye den munini kwa outside and I say ahaya akwa embassy ko di visa ko back and ahaya no wo Ghana
when wo Ghana e do baby not say yes I didn't call until I down for back never volunteers or didn't call because my embassy sir I'm refusing me visa refusing me visa almost say they can't accept me
meba o ware wo hana mo ye marriage certificate no so the marriage certificate ni akọ embassy with ono so kan wo be na refuse wa na
ono sata no yare wo da friend is ni yare ni ntino no ontumi na nti papa nti mi na me koye
nkwan okoye
me nkwan na ba me koye omo bisa me nyama proof me engagement pictures your wedding pictures certificate nkwala no de omo bisa me na mdi na koye omo mo jitu omo sa ma mi date se me sambra mami san koye omo de mami omo mi visa
nti meba wono na ukwakoji visa no for the
na me koji visa no se na be ya me de ne be ko so no hia visa okra passport ejumem no one company ne kwa do documents ona no de ne documents omo do bank statement omo feel say dia me nyama ni nye valuable because they also don't know say papa no wo yiri on divorce here nti omo de bibia can still they deny me nti eche no mse na yenye ni nkola ni na preko na nkola no so enko ye ni na de di
tama oka asa oko embassy no yare na oka so kwa process documents ni we no se dey
no se mi nko ye because onim say definitely ye mame
and you nim say
ye mame nti oka se mame nko ye I feel say the ntopane na also yare so nti bibi kakra pe na wa start efe when sa cancer brain cancer ni lung cancer senate nti doctors do am letter stamps to see so but they still refuse me.
Osha me live on SVTV Africa Entertainment we define many heady or sad story be about on Belgian man Bruni the on na be wo Ghana 2 nkola 2 ama na ka baby wo Ghana akwa STC an onunko a single parent onunko na hwe single mother onunko na hwe nkola no nyina sa wati ase STC an akwa se pressure wom no fi say story and you ba be catch yeso ye de betu ye onfo sana be also na na oshi obi ana be bisa o make sure say bo ni pa ne background and sana on na settle so what I say enti ye nyu esu ade film wo question bi and our comment bi out there share or also na drop a comment and make it come or question bi a wo pese me bisa na ama hati my entry bi enti okọ back na dey see ye say man na da fu nebe na da fu be fan na afra na ko ba dey no catch up
okay se me mbo mo dia man kwala na embra se me pom bi e ma me ba ampa so me sa ne kwala ne ko Abidjan me fly ko Abidjan me omo ti kwala document tom picture ye bibia eji omo bibia to so mbe ma bi se mo se ne email ma me babo any create email se na be e di mo a so omo se ne bibia already you get the visa in 2 days or in 3 days tina me prepare omo say omo beko nti na danfo na ode ne call no na adanfo ba ko so sa ho e fe ne Derek Van Mo ono wa ready so be taking charge ti na danfo ne call no na say me ni onti Derek ne ebisa kwa won edwuma e be taking charge na danfo ba ko ne call ne krom ayo ono so call Europe ko share ono so call hospital nti Derek ne ba every ono na danfo no aba de ode ne call ya aba na sanka ni kunkun ho hospital nti I don't know me only say omo hu so bewu nti nkwala ni visa no omo delay nti da owu ye no and omo send email say omo to me man nkwala ni visa so they
tell me the my interest embra we tell me ofi Ghana okoye no eche ansa na oka baby
3 weeks
ofi Ghana koye no
ye didn't free plane ye didn't call airport no kwa na ambulance ni dey right airport because on it's first class and owner of the company booking man with doctor 37 doctor can because me no mama me nkonti I will have to find somebody to go with him te nkofu me no na dey no call 3 weeks when we
the last message you ma wan say no figure na ko no say dem Bakai. Then I'll catch you. Come on, you're in then I'll catch you.
Nkolani isu.
Sasa na Nkolani di how many years?
Na Obano 18. Na Bema no 16.
Na Obano 18 years. Na say how many 18 years na?
Bema no 15. Because I saw no. Ono adeda no me say no person obeko. But say na obeko. Because say na doctors ni so ka say what the ha ko be over 3 to 4 months ni. Obiere no so dey be order form. Treatment ya machine bi enyo edi siusu just ye be ye nti e fan ko ukon machine wo but or delay almost some person be ti so mo yi na fi hospital ko pin time on be friend me say o ma fa na nko obewu
but then now we say Emma on person be go back to Belgium bi on cash in choy
I know they mean to me Hanepotin sir
Nigeria no Belgium no waka bibia fa no ache oda ba ko find out say or yiri wo Belgium no then no ka chere on o mine too or
me go find out no the yiri no Belgium me so ne na agent ono ni din system ni dem Moroccan woman no ona na ni din wom but in Kolani too ni dia we man o mu din wo system ba me man edin I say one filing from Kolani system. It's my maybe say on madam wo say on Ghana passport. On Ghana passport.
Okay, live SBTV after for again Chebra na we are sorry. I think say I did say so what I said SBTV Africa. But my maybe say it is here no when you see you know okay be ni ade no. What is say we no fan say
easy man. Because at least commit me for a friend maybe I can be a channel. Easy man. A ban is also no. Omo ane any omonam omo ye nam fufuo ne ade obia se obia atwe no ho akwachi.
Na bi bisa say nam futu no mo ne koe no. Oma contact the oma from man kase the contact oma obibia
omo de omo ho me omo contact na the all Belgium ho na me see ba ko ne de ne kwa omo take in charge oye omo fe bibi o Belgium me say local police radio on say Belgium so science no on say say omo ko ye no omo ye ya ko hu ye omo ko hu na busua omo fro obi anfa nti omo ko hu ye ya ko hu say ne ma me da Ambro fie according to information no ye ni ma omo no ye penny ti ma me no da on kai ko so ba bi kra sa
to yin ni
no ni papa nsu ewu nti man on Belgium mon o ye say obe miti ne brothers ni bi but nobody want to come
say akwai so mu shela ni mu wan kan hwe antro mu na dia na ususu say na o lifestyle bi a say won it time na what is saying the lifestyle is saying office say if you are penny pan na some penny pan na say because of that na am for person no
I am very quiet person on said am penny pan
on said am penny pan
say this wa be fie wan so best be or no straight wa hasisi a ohun wa botia on kasa ho bi or it's that type very quiet nti
but only the show no open ma or master okay inti an hwa de e ba so ka baby wie no then na e ba ye send bibi ma o ana say then e ba e na for unti no communication till now
owu wie no sa ko say owu ye owo ho na omo afi na omo friend no and I'm catching on that for me. So on the offer ashes in brand. So the ashes in buy any certificate. And so certificate in a buy no. The area no dinner was
death certificate of the buy.
Morocco nini dinner was as a wife. And so you now see. Ashes stones near there in the quack of Sienu, you come in a bedins. It can be here. I will feel. It's a medical tool. Funeral home yeah, my brothers got taught too near the Ashton. She's near to us and Colonel that be some come of a cruma. At least, one bet me the call. I got to be
we're sad sorry. I think say I say you and DB film. So I said to the share enough for comments. I will be up say person will be sana na Nyamiche aba Nyamiche bisa say so the kids have Belgian or Ghanaian passport. Also more Ghana passport. Aba Nyamiche again say how can you marry and know nothing about the man's relatives? Say also to my wife I didn't know what Canada no because I why now. Oh I know you know about 20 something years. I feel soon shall I strong tina I'm preparing a deja in your boga ukrum so what I say. Na Sanya Mowi na ko buy. Fifi Benji said very sad. This is what a lot of Africans do in abroad. To be because a sad experience. It's people say Sanya Mowi na fame mono. Why regret it?
I regret it because me who send a mechanic. Maybe a man is saying so, not maybe it will be different thing. My regret it, but me share me man. Yeah, no hope.
Sisi we be say we then we take care of in Kolano as sisi we single mother here and say
say eja say me wo bibi wo ho fani say na say mana edan a na yesia ade ono osi ono edan na so onsi timia na mia menia na me rufi ye na yetwa wo tina papers bi aka say TDC omo ye mami cause na mati say yesi ne ma ne yiri na Morocco ne ba pese oba Ghana ne me be pre property a papa no wo ha nti me koyi ni din free so papa ni din free dan no so sika TDC bibi oba you need to pay so you keep the receipt te mami ton me car
before we call papa na japade be na wa ya answer no we Ghana how I
then we see and bank account
na sika o sika pa
na sika ni se me say bank ni so na omo sika no omo hu se we no once when bie ne account we na antre
ni bie nyama so antre
nti me sika na omo de mai ni say sao tanya sa de hia ni say de mo mai
na aden na broni be worry anana we ni bibia na broni be worry ono de bet na on bie nyama so nche o bibia secret to say bank accounts kura no
oh me say me shane so so onya ade te say dan no so che me say sika we e na wo honti e one account ma me force ni say onko is can complete dan na dan na it say on pe gov city on pe me so say dan ma tumi asua dokuna be ma workers e didie ama omusua no de say dan no be see ewi but sisi abebi e wono how to sell the house and get a 2-bedroom apartment I met her when I'm a man between her manage.
Oh, Jamie Live or SBTV Africa Entertainment Redefined. I'm DJ Nyame. We a sad story. Fi Hetty, Amy Haba Hetty, or a Ghanaian. Wakawari, Belgian, Ronibia. Some say Wakabi, but then one batu. So I feel no join me. I will be summarizing. Then one batu. Brunei so Sao, usually or Belgium, or Sao Biwo, Morocco. Morocco, Matu so Morocco sa. But see I think say pay me dream ni me steps I bet me take aman kola na me dream say maybe me na me dream say if was so say me wrong and me right. Me feel say kola no omunye 100% Ghanaians. What you can do me feel say mo bet me the right process and mo feel say mo bet me afaso. Am bet me and say government of Belgium government bet me I found first of all I think some bet me from Dofsu back or report to Dofsu so I reporting in Kuala now the Kuala no Belgians so over to me I call Dofsu no I call register I catch them say this be be that omo DNA wo on pay am bet me aye sanyama we gina wo ufi Dofsu those more letter, then I think so. Let me process it to the High Commissioner. If he say, but this is a DAC. some marriage certificate no ho, Brolini pictures no ho. Bibia omni, they know how to even go about it. No can say with this. And she say I quite to say when he said they are Belgium saying no more I'll be almost nkola. Oh, it's see an quite single mother. One actual match to 1915, right? And 1916. 1916. You know, actual. It is see no. In your almost tight. Until we say almost someone support it. Nkola. It's either said they will say okay, they will process whatever is there. I'll make him a nkola every month. You have to be a show. So because 1916 year. Oh, when you're nkola, they can say okay. You remember we trip we no go outside. I remember passport anytime you are because I'm a citizen. Anytime you person call Belgium, you are no betting ako. Where me my dream charm fee say me dey man fee say sa process we you started from drop soup. Since what man call say what the ashes so what's so betting you started from drop soup. Na I say me my dream charm me but I mean kind me go back to some of the comments. Many healthy. Someone here, but I mean, I do but so we be so can bet na drop it. Now Dansua says, was he still married in Belgium?
She's still married in Belgium with a Morocco woman.
I see Morocco woman or Morocco woman now Belgium. More comments, more advice. I'm on drop. Mama just in check. Send a bit of boy. I'm also share na. I'm for sometimes they are funny. I'm way they are funny way. Sad story. I think it's educative. I bet me is be a film. Adams Janya Alali. Or say I'm sorry for this woman, but she didn't think about the future of the kids. How can you have kids with a man and the man and he can't identify your kids? Fifi Benji says trying to make life without foreigners, forgetting where they come from. Tina App says if they are underage, it will be possible, but if not, then forget it. What do you mean by if they are underage? So some are 19, 16. See, Tina App, what do you mean by if they are 19? Fifi Benji said Belgium authorities don't care the kids are their own unless the kids want their mom. Or say Belgium authorities don't care the kids are their own unless the kids want their mom. Where Fifi Benji. I mean, Kai West is say Citizen Kweku Boateng says, my host, you are only telling your mind. If the children and the mother were never in Belgium, please forget and stop throwing dust into the woman's eye. If the husband didn't do anything about the children when he was alive, nothing will come out from your suggestion. As Citizen Kweku Boateng, I'm not throwing that. We should become. We should make me feel said. We should not doing. In time, I can say me mad dream. Make me feel said. So what I say. So the whole bus is here. I say also watching and I didn't check. So in all, near better. Say bit me after. Say watching just say being possible. Honestly, you may be a bit me feel said. A bit me abuana in a way. So any day, also watch watching. It's my back to Asamane can see then move after okay baby we no nkola situation no school ko ni we no nkola no we school we show fine
oba na wie or private university or yes some small exams scholarship or person or your medicine or your scholarship or join final exams. I may admire by the end of this month. Bema no echo SS2.
Bema no echo SS2. And I said, "What me feel me
so.
Oh, it is remember what is why any I hope so apart from we don't why any move be are going to the embassy bio man answer the visa.
Me any move here because now I say to a company house. Now you rent no time also. Internet say pressure me nko nkwala ni so go school. I said me ma na no so we are obeko school. I was trying to settle or someone na obi abeko school. Then my cop through the consulates in our higher or down here.
Mami bisao sisi a nia ba ne nkona na kasa no si a this age o mu edu no omu fi say omu fa the saying say o say wrong omu blame you na say omu blame papa na say omu wo ya obi wo mu na say omu fi say
beginning oba no oba ne papa nti she was like yobeke bia no nti ne papa na no why writing so na say mo na me say ono atena say mo say no omo papa wa mo nti ono so be bo mo de akọ school akọ nini no aye nipa eso ye be ma ni de ono de oti asemase sin oba no so no so funny say ne papa wa nye ni ye but ye ne hwe be tumi ya fa o nti ana na wo
sisi asa embassy ni kasa pese o man koran ni visa no mo ko Belgium o be pene
why no someone
obi a won kan o be pene
my penny in a way say someone mommy assurance say nkola baby amodi amukotena no they will be safe those are money nkola but me tell on maternity I just want them to be safe but I never come person me can and I say the mommy the pass our program here awareness obi beka say I didn't think na watena no nim broni nebusianfo ansana
yeah
say so you know until you get there me no na me person ka buy no so share into system we say any foreigner be back so be worry ye Ghanaian so oba be worry na e say ye hwehwe ye call the embassy ni ye call so oye hwan oye hwan the time make us answer broni be worry kwa register of court and you better make a scabia to also cheers carry the question with tinas with ya it is kind of a mom a question is with tin yenas or area at least no we know how to handle issue because me try and kwana me go through a lot of problems when say me your baby and me a din and I'm to me a juma ever make us say nkola ne hwekwa ba edina nkola ne hwekwa ba edina mama but me per se abai no so edi ni sashem say any foreigner be obeba so an expatriate be obeba so be worry ni chrome ni they should investigate the person very well as ma accept it worry because you see nkola no Ghana say bed ni na beda ni so say eda bai so that's why me dey me story ni e care of na me dey emfato ho e dey emma e be a young girls omoni abrofo na e be a me ke ko obi ni obi wo ho ko nim ni relative but we be ma wa awareness be was and the mean to me ko embassy because nya de obi na na aka tell say me papa di kojo me mama di but embassy there they will tell you the truth Bema no odi ne particulars ko passport ni bibia photocopy they will go ni din on be or a single or wawari and I say BBC so that you also know from
now me can message you Abanya Mitchell says their dad being Belgian automatically makes the kids Belgians so we're from the Ghana passport I think the one processing earlier so no Ghana they are here in Ghana so they are not in Belgium Fifi Benji says you can't control their system same as you don't care same as we don't care you take your own risk that's what Fifi Benji so ordinary in Chiraba but at the end of the day I think still no everything move be near Shesebia just no the move we be not finding out say Bibisa because I dey and Kolano papa
embassy for no they know me personally
they
know me
personally but I think say enye koa na okoye say who pass it through the Ghana so who can say Ghana it pass it through Dobsu Kodopsu office na fe oni omo kasa de oni omo kasa possible la only Munkoka, maybe my dream channel make say Kodopsu office, now only Munkoka. Say possible, they will give you a letter to process all these things. Nay, wako, if you both of them start high commission and pressure. So what I say, because me put on say be an Koran but support. I don't know, me my dream support, na me no can. Fifi Benji says there are policies governing every country. We all know, so there are policies governing every country. And there's only a chance importance for watching. It's Mimisoft, okay. Lost in Love to be okay. Nanaja Silky, thanks for joining me. What's up? Mary Osa, thanks for watching us. I'm Charlotte Opoku. Thanks for watching us. We're SBTV Africa. Phoebe Benji saying that Phoebe Benji who say the European system is not about you knowing them. They work with the policies. Setina Debbie says Lamle says the children have a double nationality. Trust me. That is what exactly I'm saying. It is I'm papa a Belgian. Wabe wo say ya. I'm a Ghana half. I'm a Belgian. So what I say. And me say because say a your own system like the way you are saying, say because of that. They are DNA only half. So what I say. So I think say if you say maybe not channel now pass it through and maybe not right channel. So I think say what they go through Dobsu. Na would they be say be some sheda be some say be see and I share from the way I think because we said a bit more possible. Gloria Laura Edu says when a Ghanaian national marry in Belgium government requests for a bachelor certificate approved by Ghana authorities before they accept the marriage. It will be good. Ghana government do the same with foreigners getting married. I think say some particular assembly now. Okay, I think it's important to be a you bet me a train bear. So I think any law be as I said, we pass over wire gun and no, or foreigner, and they are jumping.
Don't say, my mistake, but I need to make sure Mamma. So I said, maybe I wouldn't have be like this. Maybe this are coming in Burma for now. Now say, you better say, Uncle, you need divorce, offer divorce paper member. That you can come and marry me.
We will check you when Master and almost for a while. And also, that situation now, there's no need of checking from the embassy. Setina Debbie says, my kids are born in Germany, but has two, and the kids are born in Germany, but has two, and both. Oh, you mean okay? They have both German passport, okay. Or both Germany, dual citizens, they have both German passport and Ghanaian passport. Okay. So Fifi Benji says these things a lot of we Africans don't know. Most need education. Exactly. Anything I hear about it now say because see you see and film. Very important say it just is here no and Kolano Mutibium to say I'm be okay. House 7% come Belgium.
Oh, I'm young back up. Nancy, when I'm catching say, a quabi jana, a hoy or mood, intimate pescanian co. I'm see your mom by say, Bibi, I bet me yet be a year for weekend video. You bet to me, but only on Colabia. Oh, fine. Oh, near. They are dead. See them. They made the mom be a soon. They manage it, and then they lack a memo in Colano. They don't worry me. No more happy. And Obia near Adam for some so. Yet, when you fear, you will fear. Yen pay the whole day, yen pay. This is a more class. It's a holiday when a year you will fear. Until there will be a baby and come here, if you are near you or hadn't on sign just to make them happy.
My kind comments being that here, Richmond Apia said this is true. Me, they took my marriage certificate to register here in Belgium before accepting me to be a real son. Away from Richmond Apia. Satina Debbie says now the German government has given our kids the right to be both German and Ghanaian. Okay. Also, maybe or they bad no. It's where it should be if we say another day maybe now, but let's see. But as I say, what is hard way by I think say advice you the mom final advice near rapid. I think say you should be if
me naka se me dem ase o ma mo tie mi famu baby no manya de famu baby so no I think say me de boa community na ye wom sisia ye mani ni ye bewo ye me so me wo baba okofa obi Nigeria ni kraba I have to find out say oye hwan ye fa nkwa abrofo side nko a ye Nigeria fo ye ni other countries in so no omo to me worry no omo de ombiri mo aye almost sisters. But because only as we go or honey tino, what to me in a full say, yes, because my madam for be our could be true. But one guy now in 4 years, and our palm guy when fee. Well, because only guy any relatives. Indeed, maybe a photo that can make say, I buy no me the better one when him expatriates for never worry. My show my chair plans and a motive. Our very night, as she says so. Send a bear on man so and benya. Problem because the mema fam no me pese obi so bed ebe fam intimate to me dey awareness. I'm just giving awareness and about time bia so wo oba kofa broni bia ba no me pa mo cho yenim se hia de ni di e hia na so mma emia ye ni kwan ba emba se onjo sika onjo hwe de obeka just family particulars here de fabra onya de ba na so oye nipa oye corrector. You find it. On your correct now I'll do shema. That means maybe they mean into future I mean bema ye chrome for yema minum yema awareness expatriate no enye monsieur na ban so on fan san shame se na be ya yembe wo nkwala ngu chrome ha na wo menante basa cause sisi amenya wonde amehwe me ba oba pia akope bema ne beda no amaniska wedidi se me nya wonde amehwe me ba obena no akoye junkie ni na ese kuro ni din nti me de mechanics aban onhwe na onye bibi fasa adewe madam was
yeah that's I mean kind some of the comments Hetina Debbie Lamle says I can't really say much about Belgium but it happens now in Germany. Okay, so Junior Sewagodu Sewadogo Junior Sewagodu if I don't mention it right, forgive me. Say I'm in Antwerp, Belgium right now, but I'm late on the show. Oh, maybe you are late. After, just go back and then replay. Because me can't even happy. And now me summarizing a brief email there because we quite there. Why late? Gloria Laura Edu says, okay, this case is different because the kids were born in Ghana. Besides, their dads never declared the children to Belgium authorities. It's what we usually I'll say we a different case. One man authorities who said or ma say. But all the same, I think that this particular way now by necessary say CFP because it means ya Chinese for any and here. Temana meaning we are woman more crown or ban who's Chinese for some say. Hey, Sabakuno was Sia. Anabakuni sounds Sia. Obako, shall I push up for almost the same difference. It's the outcome, so I think that Bibi Salon ba expatriate back Cromania, they say it be share, baby move fee on background, a bit more quiet, the prisoners, a deport your money and dear Mukomuni Bibia junkies. Because Scar cover no pen and I say, oh, Boga back room, Nana girls near Diomochisa, near Diomochisa, no fire. So what I say, not when you it's when you think say a idea yes eti ye beda ase na ye beda ase over pass through SBTV Africa ye be make sure say ade we say pay authorities bi omo was post ye be from studio na ye no ma san komo we now advice be some my boss I think say kofu bebre wo such problems in as nti ye be hwe na ye make sure say ye betimi etuti sa topic we na obia asuade nti SBTV Africa o hwe ya entertainment we different from DJ Nyame ana ye be see but I mean kai mo say wo problem bi ana wo bi free say ye discuss it ana wo issue bi free say discuss it okoti bi ma free say this ye politics NPP NDC dey ye film apart from that who see e betwa bibia ye twa so what I say to them kind no apart from self member politician chance or back as our video so and I vote for me and we have done this, you have contracted this and then they all nyame. But apart from that, apart from politics, spiritual matter, bibia be cha. Bibia never be a so what I say, who issue be another be office in discuss here and educating Gofa for SBTV Africa was 0240 677 898 0240 677 898 0240 677 898. You're from DJ Nyame. Who Kruma or the cassette tour, Magistrate tour. The producers and a Kobisakite DJ Click. I'm Fichi Yamano and the producers. Inti must subscribe to your YouTube channel Agenda Operation 200K because your content in here also being in here and say Uncle YouTube. Inti Meda is over passing through SBTV Africa. Inti Makra Muhumo Kroma cassette tour, Magistrate tour. So tour. Bye bye.